chombero tubanza twigine tutayaye isha mwantoremwe.
This afternoon by me one them look small or how you may survey use some Photoshop. Fulamana li sabe install Photoshop lo computer lo que estaba viendo sabe se pali use from them. But I think me spend small time lo talk about them. Samano li look some design li go seglo design lo internet lo friend lo que ta some graphic lo friend lo que ta ligat. After only one them say, oh, me don't want to one them sabe make him kind. So we go ask him friend, we go stick him neck lo friend about say you install him Photoshop lo laptop lo PC one program lo me one program lo Photoshop lo me lo ba mi tu mi sabe make him some small graphic design. But really say you understand one you want to make him no. From Vlaman, only get excited about the notion of making one graphic, but after once we install them Photoshop, now we say make one. I mean, look screen if suppose you first time you come use some Photoshop, you open your program, what do you see? You see a blank screen with just a little bit of color on the right side, and everything is just black and white, gray and white, mostly gray. So one day you make it look in time. What do? You just stare at it blankly and go, what have I gotten myself into? So usually you must have first time. When you want them make them with them Photoshop or any graphic tool, or actually any tool in life where you come across blue use them, you need to say first time. So you want to use some tool from one. For instance, you know save ko karam sisi si kam sleep krange. So you karam sisi si kam look at them one something, maybe cut them close or something. You must cut close stuff first time. Karam sisi si kam cut them or paper or whatever. You want them carving making one carving, one image. Before you make one image, you must carry tool some chisel with them hammer, you have a lot of tool with them, or knife, or cutter, or something. Before you can create the artwork, you must cut or tool view. Before you can create the graphic, or you want them create them. Tool view, you want to use them in this case, Photoshop. But you say how to use some chisel view, or no? You must learn them how to use some chisel view first time. You must learn them how to use some CC's view first time. You must sabe how to use some chainsaw first time before you say got them timber. So, what I'm having in mind, that is what this go through this series of tutorials blow pamba you may sabe train them you may how blow use Photoshop. You know how blow me say creating one fancy looking graphic, but how blow use Photoshop. Blow learn them different tools where you stop where you may say use blow let's say make one picture look cleaner. Make one picture look glossy. Make him add them some talk one picture. Make him say picture stand out different. Clean him one picture. Hemi this tutorial. Hemi teach him you how now by me save use Photoshop. By mistake with them Photoshop. You got full up nara fala. Graphics design software stuff. The most basic one Windows Paint. Maybe start off with them Paint, play with them Paint go, and then we go small with the PowerPoint. That didn't work out. After we go, there was this other one, Paint Shop Pro. Paintshop Pro mi use ko time se mi become acquainted with Photoshop. I just left, which is Lego Paintshop Pro mi use Photoshop. Got full up na rawan bagan all basic one stuff inside the Windows no more ya. You got Inkscape you an artist where you interest very much low Inkscape. They got full of, you got Adobe Photoshop, you got Adobe InDesign, you got Adobe Illustrator, and then moving on to moving graphics, you got Adobe Premiere, blue editing all video, and then Adobe After Effects, blue making all kind effects blue video. But when we stick with them Photoshop, once you be learning one little Adobe products, by once you learn them the interface, you learn them all tools by me very easy you go use them all another one. Once you sabi how to use Photoshop, by me very easy you go use Illustrator, by me very easy you use Premiere, you use After Effects, you use InDesign. Although purpose will nara software different, but once you get the hang of the interface one, by easy you work them out. You work them out which tool you need to use each of the software. So this has been an introduction. Me hope say now you say you have to learn to use a tool before you can create the art. Now you have a small thing then mami sabe take you go first tutorial. You know things that this will be a quick tutorial, but me go all tutorials by me learn one or two, maybe up to five tools in one session. We want them keep them session only as short as possible so that you may easy you may follow them or you may understand them. Thank you too much. Look at you next tutorial. This has been a tutorial from the Better Serve Design team. Good afternoon.